Excuse me, I cannot find my family.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I think I got on the wrong train.
Do not worry, we will help you.
This boy needs some help.
Hello, what happened?
I cannot find my family.
Do not worry, we will help you. Who were you traveling with? George, Jackie, and Mary.
I thought they were already on this train.
I think you boarded the wrong train.
I want my family.
They must be worried about me. We will help you find them.
Everything will be okay.
I am calling the station now. We are looking for your family. Thank you for helping me.
They will find them soon.
Where is Haskey?
I thought he was behind us. He was near the toy shop.
We need to find him right now.
Our son is missing.
Please help us find Haskey.
I just received important news. Haskey is safe on another train.
Haskey is safe with a train conductor. They are taking care of him. Thank goodness he is safe.
I cannot wait to see him again.
The train will stop at the next station. You can meet Haskey there.
Thank you for helping us.
Let us go right away.
We are getting closer to Haskey.
I cannot wait to see him again. I hope my family is okay.
You will see them very soon. The next station is very close now.
Really?
Yes, you will see your family soon.
That makes me very happy.
We are arriving now.
I hope my family is here.
Look carefully on the platform.
I am trying to find them. I can see my family. They are waiting for me.
That is wonderful.
I am so happy.
Haskey,
We found you. I missed you.
Come here, son. We were very worried. I am sorry. You are safe now.
Welcome back, Haskey.
What happened, Haskey?
I stopped at the toy train shop. Then I lost sight of everyone. I accidentally boarded the wrong train.
We should always stay together. If you stop somewhere, tell us first.
I understand now.
Today I learned something important. Family is important. We should always stay together.
That is a wonderful lesson.